G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. I've made a number of gummy recipes in the past. They're all delicious, all easy, but they're not exactly keto. So we can still have our gummy and eat it too if you're on a keto diet. So join me today as I make my version of keto gummies. Now these keto gummies are ridiculously simple. You just need 2 ingredients, or 3 if you can count the water. So the first one being, and this is the most important one for that gummy consistency, is gelatin powder. Now this is what turns normal jello into a gummy consistency. So I've got 2 cups of warm water, so I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of our gelatin mixture. And we're just going to let that gelatin soak up all that water. So just now that's all dissolved, I'm just going to give it a quick stir just to combine. And now for the flavour, I'm going to use some sugar-free jello. Now this just makes it far easier. But if you don't have sugar-free jello, just add some flavouring and say a little bit of stevia for sweetness. So into our warm water, I'm just going to pour in our sugar-free jello and just give it a good stir till it's completely dissolved. Okay, so lastly I've just got a gummy mould. Now you can find these in most shops, so it honestly makes no difference which one you use. And just simply going to pour our mixture into each gummy mould. Okay, so once you've filled up all your gummy molds, simply place it in the fridge for a good 1 or 2 hours to completely set. Now, gummies have been in the fridge for a couple of hours, so it's just a simple matter of removing them from our molds. And look at that, one delicious keto-friendly gummy bear. And there we have some delicious keto gummy bears. Now, I've also made gummy worms, gummy bottles, gummy rings. So this is certainly a very versatile recipe. You can use any mold that you like, any flavour that you like. And it's completely healthy, no sugar, no carbs. So whether you're making gummy bears or some delicious gummy worms, either way, they're going to taste simply delish.